elusive Tweety birds and their lust for food.
I hit mine in. God damn it, it's your shot, Trisha.
Okay, give the camera person the food back. Here, eat off the table. Eat off the table like a decent bird. Be a decent birdie. Fingers.
That's a very bright light. It's flashing in my eyes.
The elusive birdie, number 2. The reaction.
What are you talking about? I just ate pretty much the entire bag.
Still stuff in it, bitch. Don't eat off the floor. Be a good birdie. See?
Excuse me.
And that was the elusive birdie.